Hi guys, welcome to Becodewala. I welcome you to my new video which you can see in my page, the random joke generator. So we came up with a new amazing project using JavaScript. So we will generate the random jokes in this div with by clicking this button. So to get this random joke generator, we are going to HTML, CSS, and mainly JavaScript. So you can see here in my web page, here is the title random joke generator, and here in this div will display our jokes, and then here is the get joke button which you can see here. When we click on it, then it will generate the random jokes. So let's click on our this button. So let's click loading joke. So see here, click the button to get jokes. So here it's showing that failed to load joke, kindly check your internet connection. See, loading joke, it's not loading because it's showing that failed to load joke because your no internet connection is there. So then we'll connect our internet. So now we'll refresh it, and now we will see here it's finally generated the joke because we have now connected to our internet. So without connecting internet, it is enabled to generate the joke. So here is the joke. Hey girl, roses are this color code and violets are blue. So it's in roses are red, violets and blue. I use hex code, but I use RGB for you. So it's a pickup line like that joke. So we can click on this button and we can generate another joke. So one more joke is there. A man is smoking a cigarette and blowing smoke ring to the air. His girlfriend become irritated. It's my favorite joke. So let's listen what's the joke is. So it's one of my favorite joke. So let's read this. So a man is smoking a cigarette. Let me zoom this one. So a man is smoking a cigarette and blowing smoke rings into the air. His girlfriend becomes irritated with the smoke and says, "Can't you see the warning on the cigarette pack?" Means his girlfriend is telling, "Why smoking and blowing like that? You can't see the warning on the cigarette pack." So may I have you guys seen the warning on the cigarette pack that you are going to die? Smoking here, smoking is hazardous to health. To which man replies, means there on the packet written that smoking is dangerous for us. So now then boy replied that I am a programmer. I am a programmer. We don't worry about the warnings because warning was given on the packet. So he was telling we don't worry about the warnings. We only worry about the errors. So we don't care errors. Sorry, we don't care warnings. We only care errors. So we don't care warnings. So it's a programmer coder like joke. So which you can see. So by clicking next joke, we can get a another joke. Java and C we are telling jokes. It was C turns. So he writes something on the wall, points to it and say, "Do you agree with reference?" But Java didn't. So it's another joke for programmer. So when you click on button will generate another joke. When again clicking on it, it will generate another joke. So random joke it will generate. So like that, to make this we are going to use HTML, CSS and mainly JavaScript. So come to our VS Code. So if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us to get this type of amazing projects, so which can help you in your CV. So here in my HTML file, here before that I want to tell you that if you are new to our channel, please don't forget to subscribe us. It motivates me more to make this type of video and with this project. So please subscribe me and support. So here let's start the video. In this I have taken the basic structure of HTML. Then in this I have written a link tag. In this link tag we have linked our CSS file style.css, which you can see here. So here is the title, random joke generator. So then in body tag we have taken the div with class main, and in this div we have taken a header, random joke generator. So then we have taken another div with class inner and one more div with class content in this div, and in this div we have taken one more div with class loading. So here the p tag with loading joke means here when I click on this button it's showing loading joke. See, so it's loading joke. So for that, then p tag id output, click the button to get a random joke. So when I refresh it and see, click the button to get random joke. It's giving instruction to us that when we click on this button, it will generate random joke. So then we have taken one more d with class button for the button with id generate and get joke, which you can see here this button get joke. So that is for HTML. Later we'll discuss JavaScript. So before now we go for CSS styling. So padding and margin I have taken 0, and box size in border box and font family sans serif for our web page. So then here in main class we have taken the background color code this, and the color of the text white, and minimum height 100 vh, display flex and flex direction column, align item center and justify content center. Then in this main class with header, for header we have taken font size 1.8 rem and font weight 600. So then in main we have taken the class content. So for content class we have taken minimum height 300 and width I have taken minimum width 300 and width 300. So minimum it will go to 300 width. So then minimum height 300 pixel, then a background color for our content. So then margin 2 rem and it should be auto, then border radius 8 pixel and a box shadow for our container. So then display flex, justify content center and align item center, then padding 20 pixel and height, sorry, position relative. So then come for the class loading which is in content. So I'll show you, here is the class loading in the content class. So here position absolute, top and left I have taken 0, from background color this, and width and height I have taken 100%, and border radius 8 pixel, display flex, align item center, and justify content center. Then font size 1.5 rem, visibility hidden, and z index 5. So now for the paragraph. So here I have taken the paragraph loading joke. So for that I have taken animation name load, animation at rate count infinite, and animation duration 1 second. Animate timing function is transition all 0.3 second each, and z index 5. So now we are going to animate with this name load. So at 0% transform scale 1%, sorry 1. So at 50% the color of the code, this our it will be this color code. I'll show you. So let me refresh this. Yeah, this color code, so which you can see there loading. I'll show you one more again. See it's loading. See, when it's loading it's showing this color code, you can see here loading joke. So at 0% scale 1%, at 50% this color code of the text, and scale 1.1, and letter spacing 2 pixel. At 100% color will be white, and scale 1%. Then in our content p is there. For that paragraph p, text align center and font size 1.2 rem we have taken. Then for the button we have taken the display flex, and justify content should be in center. So then for our button we have taken the height 3 rem and font size 1.3 rem. Border should be none, and padding 0 from top and bottom, and 2 from 2 rem from left and right. Then border radius 5 pixel, and a font weight 600, and a color of the text this color code, and this cursor point. So this for button cursor is pointer, this color code, background color code, so which you can see here. So now go for JavaScript. So here in our script tag in HTML we have written the JavaScript code. So here let we have taken a variable output. So in this we have selected our id output by query selector. Then we have taken one more variable joke button, and then we have selected our generate. So then here the class loading we have selected that also with a variable loader. Then show loader function. So it will show means when you clicking on this button, so this loading joke is showing, this loading joke with animation is showing for a fixed timing. Until this it's showing our the joke. So it's showing loading joke for the some time, and then it's disappear. So for that we have a function show loader. So loader dot style dot visibility visible, then set timeout. When the our joke load, then visibility hidden means it will hide. So for 3 second means 1500 1500 millisecond it will show. Let's click on it. See, now it disappear. So for that we have written the function button joke button add a event listener. Then when we click, then it will show. So when we are clicking on this button, then it see it's loading joke, it's written, and then it disappear. It this event was by button. So then function get joke, let url we have selected one url means this is the website. So there, from there we are getting the joke. The main thing is this link. So this is our website. From there we are getting the joke. So now you can search on Google this link, random joke generator links. Many websites are there. We can get the links of that website and connect it to our HTML. Then fetch URL is fetching the URL and getting data from this URL, data.json, and then hot output content with it showing the result. So by getting that data, then for error dot catch error, then it will when any error will be there, it will show fail to load job. Please check your internet connection. So without internet connection, it will not work. So here is our joke generator. When you click on it, it's loading joke. It's showing. Then our joke has load. So and then you can see the jokes. So that is we can from that generate the random joke from HTML, CSS, and mainly JavaScript. So like that we have generated our joke. So then here is our joke. We can click and get one more joke. Knock knock knock. Who is there? Very long pause. Java. So here one more joke. So that is for today, guys. So we'll meet in next video. Please give a like, subscribe, and share my channel with your friends. And then we'll meet in next video with a new amazing project. So thanks for watching. We'll meet in next video. Thank you.